Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best deep conditioners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Olaplex No. 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. The Olaplex No. 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner is a no-brainer for deep conditioning your hair. The formula is suitable for all hair types, including color-treated, as it has no sulfates, which can fade vibrant color into a lackluster hue. If fixing dryness and damage is a concern of yours, opt for this nourishing conditioner that mends split ends, repairs damage, and prevents frizz and flyaways without weighing hair down. For even better results, combine it with the Olaplex Bond Maintenance Shampoo and other Olaplex products. Moving on at number 4, we have the L'Oréal Paris EverCreme Sulfate-Free Conditioner. This budget-friendly conditioner is dye, paraben, and sulfate-free, making it safe for color-treated hair and able to revive brittle strands back to healthy, hydrated glory. It has a warm coconut, amber, and vanilla scent to take your conditioning treatment to the next level, enveloping you in a relaxing aromatic shower. The formula is lightweight but extremely hydrating and keeps your hair silky and full of body. At number 3, we have the Jessicurl Deep Conditioning Treatment. This multifunctional deep conditioning treatment is a godsend for curly hair. Not only does it function as an in-shower hair treatment, but also doubles as a leave-in conditioner. You can use it daily, but we recommend starting off using it once a week to assess your hydration needs. Apply the treatment after shampooing and comb through with a wide-toothed comb before letting it sit for 30 to 60 minutes. If your hair is a bit dry and dehydrated post-shower, take a small amount of the conditioner and run it from the mid to the ends of your hair for some extra hydration. At number 2, we have the Kevin Murphy Angel Hair Mask. This deep conditioner won't weigh down fine hair but is still hydrating and strengthening. The formula features essential amino acids that tackle damage and is even safe for color-treated hair. Over time, the bamboo extract and antioxidant-rich formula assist in thickening strands and adding volume. The brand recommends massaging this conditioner over your strands and scalp for 2 to 10 minutes. Since this product aims to add volume, massaging it into the scalp is essential. And finally at number 1, we have the Ouai Thick Hair Treatment Mask. It's no secret that having more hair can mean you need a lot of hydration. For those with thick hair, you'll want to try out this treatment mask from Ouai. It's free from sulfates, revives damaged and color-treated hair, and adds loads of shine. If you have bleached hair, this product features a leap and shea butters that soothe overprocessed strands. It's also suitable for people with keratin and chemically treated hair, such as perms. Ouai's products are known for their aromatic fragrances, and this hair mask is no exception, with an elegant scent profile of rose, bergamot, lychee, cedarwood, and musk. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.